Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a depth look on Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard. Introduction. Package includes feature, wireless design, rechargeable battery, low profile, function keys, scissor mechanism, wireless rechargeable convenience, works with Mac, iPad, or iPhone. Enhanced typing experience. Go weeks without charging. System requirements. Usage. Connecting to your device. Typing, charging, switching devices, specification. FAQs. What is the design feature of the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? How does the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard connect to devices? What type of battery does the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard use? How long does the battery last on the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? What unique feature does the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard offer for numeric input? What system requirements are needed for the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? What is the typing experience like on the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? How do I charge the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? How can I quickly access media controls on the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? What color options are available for the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? How do I connect my Apple device to the Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard? What should I do if my Apple Rechargeable Magic Keyboard is not responding? Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.